When you have a good musical device close to your ears, it's easy to become antisocial. Just turn up the volume and block out the rest of the world. Pratibha Raman this week sifts through some of the latest MP3 players and iPods and gives us an idea why these devices play more than just music.
At the cafe, under the tree, or on the bike, music on the move certainly adds a spring to every step. And this week, we take a look at some portable music companions for your ears. MP3 players that store music and playback and also pack in multimedia functions. The latest Apple iPod Nano Video is the undisputed heavyweight in the category. The genius lies in the press of a button. Press the center in the now playing list and add the current song to your playlist. It has a built-in video camera and a TV out facility. Apart from voice recording, this gadget enables you to do live FM pause.
One brilliant feature that I do like about this is you don't need anything external as far as the FM connectivity is concerned. It's got an inbuilt FM. More importantly, you can actually pause, record whatever, you're stuck somewhere, your favorite song is playing. You can actually record that and hear it back once you want to listen to the music again. So that is the coolest feature that I like in this particular product.
The iPod Nano is a slim beauty that comes with a portrait and landscape mode. And like the Apple phone, the screen changes from portrait to landscape as you turn the iPod around. This iPod comes with an 8GB and a 16GB memory, priced between 7,000 and 9,000 rupees. Missing in other brands like Creative and Sony is the video camera feature. The Creative Zen X5 II is one of the latest models that uses touchscreen technology. Its LCD display is capable of displaying up to 262,000 colors. Its size is more in line with the iPod Touch, and like the iPod Nano Video, this too has a TV out. Packing an extra punch are features like voice recording and onboard FM radio. Next is Sony's Walkman Video S series. With a 2.5-inch LCD display, it has an inbuilt stereo speakers and FM recording. Looking similar to an iPod Touch is the Philips Go Gear 5245 that comes with a 2.5-inch display for 4,000 rupees. The advantage in this player is when Vinay is watching a video or listening to a song and shuts the player down midway, he can resume playback from where he stopped. Other features include FM radio with 20 preset channels. An exceptional feature is the Bluetooth, which enables easy transfer of songs and videos. It supports MP3, WMA and AAC files.
I really got attracted to it as soon as I looked at it, and the best part about it is that it has a Bluetooth and you need not go around asking your friends, yeah, give me that song and this song. And it's good, you can use it and you can have fun at a very low rate. The only disadvantage is that when you load WMA files, it may hang at times. It's a problem which comes up, and every kind of an electronic device is a problem today. So for the price, I think it's something which we can deal with.
Another sleek portable audio and video player is the Samsung YPQ1, very similar to the Sony Walkman Video. Available in 4GB, 8GB and 16GB, it comes with a 2.4-inch screen. Apart from the WMV video playback, it also supports MPEG-4 files once they are converted to Samsung's SVI format. What's different is the Walkman's ability to play audio tracks at various speeds without any sound distortion and the text-to-speech algorithm. This algorithm can read any text in several languages and then convert it into MP3.
The battery life is pretty good, and the interesting part is it actually connects with the BBC iPlayer, which is probably a competition to what Apple does with the iTunes. And I think that's a brilliant thought. You could get in your video clips, your newscasts, all of them. I think it's great to record and then take it on the move.
All the brand has got the option of directly charging through the current, but the accessories for charging through current is not inside the box. That has to be bought separately by the customer. So it is definitely, there should be a model introduced by all the company with the option of directly charging through the current.
There's more to music than pressing a few buttons. So, play on!
Alright, time now on the show for a quick break. Here's what's coming up right after. A fantastic game of cricket where you become the master and can take on the Master Blaster.